Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain your lesson number 10, that is Internet Services. Right? Students, in this chapter, the first thing which I want to explain you is what is Internet. Internet is basically network of networks, right? Now, what is network? Network is basically when we want to connect two or more than two computers together so that we can share the information between those computers, we can share resources. For that, we connect the computers. That becomes a network. And when these small networks are connected together, it becomes the world's biggest network, which is known as Internet, right? Now, uses of internet, we are using internet in every field. We are using internet in banking sector, we are using internet in education sector, we are using internet in research sector, we are sending mails, we are sending messages, receiving messages with the help of internet, means in communication field also, right? We are using internet in social networking. I mean, social networking is also done with the help of internet, right? Entertainment is there. We can transfer files with the help of internet. E-commerce is one of the aspect, right? Advertisement is there. We can do e-commerce, right? Which I explain, online shopping, right? We can buy and sell products. We can do reservations beforehand, right? These are the uses of internet, and many more are there. This chapter. Now, the main concept is www, how this internet works and what are the technical terms behind it. If we talk about those, the first term comes in the mind is www, that is World Wide Web, right? This World Wide Web, this is basically a web, right, which is collection of pages. It is collection of pages. Pages means the web pages. The pages which are available on internet, those pages are known as web pages, and all the web pages are under www, means it contains all the web pages, right? And what is the content on the web page? The content is text. We can add pictures, audios, videos, hyperlink, and a lot more. These are the different medias which are which are placed on web pages, right? And it is also known as web, as I have already told you, right? And the Tim Berners-Lee, he was the founder of World Wide Web. Tim Berners-Lee is the founder of World Wide Web, who introduced this term to the world. Now, one more thing is this www, it is based on some network architecture. You can see here in front of you, there is an architecture. This is network architecture in which there is a very powerful computer which is known as server, right? And all rest of the computers are the clients which request something from the server, and then server respond according to the request of the client, right? As I'm a client, I'm requesting for, like, I want to know something about weather, right? Then I will request on the search engine, like I will click on Google and I will write about weather of Sonipat, right? When I will click, that server will respond to the client who is asking for the request, right? So this is the client server network which you can see here. This is your client server network. This is the server, and any of the client which is requesting, it will respond to that client only, right? And this server is known as web server, and it store all the web pages, right? Because this is a very powerful computer. It stores all the information in it, and whenever any client requests something, it will send the response according to the request. Then one more important term here is HTTP, right? The full form of HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Protocol means rule. So HTTP is basically a set of rules which are um, uh, which web server should follow while taking a request and responding to the client, right? Whenever some request is sent to the client server, and then server respond according to the request, that all is done while following some rules, and the name of the rules is HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, right? Now, next topic is chatting, online chatting, right? As I have already told you that chat communication is also uh, done with the help of internet, right? So online chatting is type of a communication in which we used to send small typed message, right? Short messages are sent, and that is also known as instant messaging, right? We used to do some SMS before we use internet, or now also we are using SMS service, that is also known as instant messaging, right? We can send messages one to one, means I'm sending message to one of my friend, or if I want to send one message to many friends at one time, that can also be done. Either we can make groups, so group chat will be there, or we can make broadcast list, which helps us in sending one message to many people at same time, right? As technology is advancing, so chatting, video chat is also one of the type of communication in which users used to see each other. The person who are in video chat, they both can see each other face to face, they can talk with each other, right? And we have some online chat softwares. If we want to do online chatting, for that we have to download some softwares. Some of the examples are Google Hangout, Yahoo Messenger, WhatsApp Messenger, Facebook Messenger, Insta Messenger, and a lot more, right? To avail this service, to do online chatting, we have to download online chat softwares. Students, next is video conferencing, right? As the technology is there is advancement in technology, and along with the online chatting, I told you video chats are also there. Video chat is basically informal type of chatting, informal type of you can say communication. But when we are talking about formal communication, formal video chatting, that is known as video conferencing, which is basically done when some company meeting is there, any job training session is there, any board meeting is there, or management meeting is there. In that case, we call it as video conferencing, right? This is a technology that allow users who are sitting at different locations, they can have face-to-face meeting. They can discuss something face to face just by sitting at their own location without leaving the city, right? And advantages are there, like if we are sitting at if all the members of the meeting are sitting at different location, there no need to travel, right? There it saves the travel cost, it saves the traveling time too, right? So this is a big advantage, and you can talk face to face, right? And I have already told you, video conference, when it is held in informal way, it is called video chat. If it is in a formal way, it is known as video conferencing, right? For this also we have to download some softwares like meeting IO is there, and Meet is there, right? Which is used for this video conferencing purpose, right? We have to create a link and forward that link to the persons who are invited for the meeting, and they can join the meeting at that particular time, and they can attend that video conferencing. Next facility we can avail using internet is e-commerce, right? The first thing, the full form of e-commerce is electronic commerce, right? It means that we can buy and sell anything with the help of internet, right? Buying and selling goods using internet is called e-commerce, right? Ticket booking is also included in this. Bill payments is also part of e-commerce, online shopping, as I have already told you, right? The products which are available online, that may be clothing, that may be furniture, mobile phones, home utility items, household items, right? And whatever, everything is available on websites from where we can compare the product with other products, compare the price of that product on different sites. We can check the stars on a particular product, means rating, right? The maximum rate means the product is very good. Something like this comparison is also there. And we can purchase online by doing payment online, or if we can do cash on delivery also, right? It depends if that facility is available or not, right? We can do this online shopping through computers, through tablets, through your smartphones and other smart devices. We just have to open the website, check the product, compare the product and its price, and we can place the order, and we will get that product within some time at our home only. No need to leave your home. Just by sitting at home you can do the online shopping. Now we have some pros of online shopping and we have some cons. Pros means advantages, some positive aspects, and cons means some negative aspects of it. First, it is very convenient, as I have told you, no need to leave your place. Second, it offers wider range of goods and services, means आपको इसमें बहुत सारे products आप कंपेयर कर सकते हो, चेक कर सकते हो, right? Some cons are also there. First, limited customer service. Maybe at your place delivery is not possible. Maybe they are not providing free delivery at your place. Then we have the product which we are purchasing, that maybe or actually the product which we are checking on the website, we cannot touch that product. We can only see, but the material of the product or the quality of the product, you cannot touch it while doing online shopping. That is also a problem there, right? Some websites provide you this online shopping facility. Amazon is there, Flipkart is there, Shopclues, eBay. We have lot more websites with the help of which you can do online shopping. Okay, you can purchase anything which you want to purchase with the help of online shopping. Next one is e-banking, right? It's again electronic banking, means you are just sitting at home and you can do all the functions you can perform, which before some years back we used to go to bank to perform all those services, like we want to check our account, we want to transfer money. For that we used to go to bank, but nowadays e-banking facility is there and we can just sitting at home, we can transfer the amount, we can pay our bills, we can recharge our mobile phones, we can pay our electricity bill. This is all because of electronic banking. This is also known as net banking, right? It provides a lot of services to the customer, and like we can check the balance, transfer the funds, I have already explained, right? All the banking operations can be done with the help of your smartphone or computer, right? No need to visit the bank. We can access our account information also as per our convenience. It's not time bounded. We can do payments at any time, even in the evening, in the night. So no time boundation is there. And this also provides a very convenient, this is also convenient to us, and the process is also very speedy, right? The process is very speedy. Whenever you are paying something for it, within some time your amount will be transferred to the other person's account to whom you want to send the money. You can see on your screen there is an app called BHIM app, BHIM, that is Bharat Interface for Money. This is a mobile app which is launched by Indian government, which helps us in transferring the money. We can instantly transfer the money in other account, but for that what we need is we should have the bank account of both sender and receiver. Now some features are there. Faster transaction, we can transfer the amount very fast. Cost is very low, transaction cost is very low, and sometimes it is free of cost. This service is available 24 into 7, means all the 7 days, all the 24 hours of a day, this service is available, right? Error of chances of error is very low, right? It is you can say, we can it is a loyal service, right? It is a loyal service, means chances of you can say error, or chances of fraud is very less, right? And geographical barrier means you are sitting at one place and you want to transfer funds to different locations, right? It is very easy to do that also. So it means जो internet banking है, it provides lot of facilities, lot of features to the users, customers, and they can rely on this service. Next facility is e-learning, that is electronic learning, means we are learning something while using internet, right? E-learning also provide facility to large group of students. We can train those large number of students at the same time, right? The material which is provided during e-learning is audio can be there, text, video, animation, right? All these are the learning material. This is type of media which is provided in the learning material, right? Some websites are there which provide this facility, using which you can do your learning, right? And this is also when we are we are going in a course, and they will provide you some learning material, so you can learn it during offline also. If you are not online also, you can do this learning, because material is provided to you and you can save that material in your system, right? We have lots of advantages of e-learning. The first thing is it is self-paced. Self-paced means you can learn at your own speed. Student can learn at his own speed. जितनी स्पीड से वो लर्न करे उतनी जल्दी वो उसको लर्न कर सकता है. बट in fact, if someone is having some issue, that student can go through that video again and again if some problem is there, right? It is student centered, means student is the center point according to whom the content is created. It is cost effective, means no need to go anywhere. You just by sitting at home you can learn, right? You can take classes, so it is cost effective. And learning style of everybody is different, so everyone can learn according to his own learning style, right? Learning environment can be customized, means the way you want to sit, the way you want to learn, you can do it according to your own choice, right? Then environment friendly. This electronic learning is environment friendly. No need of textbooks, time efficient. This is available 24 into 7. If you are comfortable in night study, you can go with that. If you're comfortable in day study, you can go with that. It is not time bounded, right? It is up to the student who is learning from the uh, internet. So that also depends on the student's interest, student's mood, student time flexibility. Next topic is students internet free calls. Now what is this internet free call? Internet free call is basically, it is a service which is provided while if you recharge your mobile phone with some data, with the internet facility. After taking that facility, you can make free voice calls and video calls all over the world. Wherever you want to call, you can make your calls and nothing extra is demanded for those calls, means it is free of cost after you take your internet recharge, right? There is a voice over internet protocol service which allows telephone calls over internet, right? So this is a service. These are the free calls which we can do with the help of smartphones, or with the help of laptops, with the help of personal computer, and even other hardware devices, right, which can access internet. And these free calls can be done with the help of some softwares which we should install beforehand. Like Zoom facility is there, Teams facility is there, Skype is there, WhatsApp is there. These are the different softwares which we should install if we want to avail these internet free calls. Next facility is email. Email is basically combination of two words, again, electronic mail, right? Email is electronic mail. We can send and receive messages through internet with the help of email also, right? Email can be sent at any time, anywhere in the world, and we can send it to as many people as at a time. As many people, we can send email to as many people in just one click, right? There are some email service provider which provides this free email service, right? Some of those service providers are Gmail, Yahoo, Rediffmail, Outlook, Hotmail, and a lot more are there which provides this email service facility, right? For email, if we want to mail someone, for that we should have an account, which after creating that account you should remember your username and password. When you will click on that, when you will type that username and password, after that you will enter in your account from where you can uh, email to your friends. Now I will tell you how to compose mail, how to
Now
attach
students, I
files,
will
how to
tell you
send
how to
emails,
compose
how to
mail first,
reply to
right?
someone's
To
email, and
compose
if we
mail, you
want to
have to
forward
log in into
any
your
mail,
account,
any email
right?
to
This
someone,
is
how
my
to do
account.
that,
Click
how
on
to
this
add
compose
signatures,
button.
and
You
how
will
to
get
sign
new
out from
message
the
dialog box.
mail.
Here you have to write down the
Always keep in mind, after
email ID
using
of the
your
person to whom
email
you want to send
ID,
a mail,
always
right?
sign out
Suppose
your
I am
email
writing
ID,
one email
right?
ID here.
So I will tell you how to do all these functions, features.
Right, this is an email ID which on which I want to send the mail, right? After writing this email ID, here you have to write down the subject which decides the importance of your email. The person who is getting the email, if your subject is appropriate, if your subject is perfect, that person will decide how important your mail is to that person. Suppose I'm writing here resume, right? So it will decide how important your mail is, right? Here I can write whatever I want to write. Suppose I'm writing, hello sir, I am sending my CV for computer teacher vacancy, right? Suppose this is the mail I want to write. Then regards, right? Here there is one button which is called attach files button, right? When you will click on this, you will get list of, you will get the data which is in your computer. Suppose I want to attach my document along with my CV. Suppose any document, suppose I want to attach this one. Click on this and click on open. It will attach this document here, you can see. And after attaching this document, you can click on send button so that it will send the mail to that person, right? Here you can see this is the mail which I have sent to someone, right? This is the way of composing mail, sending mail, and how to attach a file. Now, next, suppose I want to, this is my inbox and I want to send this mail to someone else. I want to forward this mail. To forward the mail, just click on this mail, and here you can see forward button, right? This is the forward button. Just click on this forward button and you have to write down the address of the person to whom you want to forward this mail. Suppose I want to forward this mail to this mail address. Just write down the mail address and click on send. It will forward. You can see message sent. It means your mail is sent to the person to whom you forwarded it. Then we have one option, that one reply feature. If you want to reply someone's mail, suppose click on inbox and you want to reply on this mail, right? For that you have to click on this button. This is reply button. Click on this, and to the person who mailed you, the mail address will be given, will be there automatically. Suppose I want to mail him thank you, right? Just write down thank you and click on send. Now you can see message sent. This is the way to reply and forward mails, right, to whom you want to send. Next topic is signature, how to add signature. Students, to add your signature, click on settings, right? And in this setting option, you will find signature. Just give me a second. Click on see all settings. Here, when you will move downwards, you will find one option setting. Here it is, right? As I have not added any signature, it is showing no signature. If I want to add any signature, create new, you have to write down the signature. Suppose I want to write here regards. Okay, create. Now you can or you can change this. Just wait, I will write here, it's not regards, let me write it here, signature. Okay, signature. Okay, done. And here you can write whatever you want to write in the signature, right? Just wait. Yes, here we can write. Suppose I am writing here Ritu Dahiya, computer teacher. And okay, spelling of teacher is or teacher. And I want to write here name of my school, HVP Sonipat. Okay, this is the signature I want to add. So we can save this. Bold में करना है आपको. Whatever you want to make, you can write it, and you have to click on save changes. Save changes. Right now my signature is saved. Whenever I want to use my signatures, I can use. Right now the last topic is log out. After using your mail, after sending mail, receiving, checking mail, you should log out before leaving the system. For that, you have to click on this R, right? Here you will find out option sign out, right? Here you will find out option sign out. When you will click on this sign out option, you will be out of the mail. आप अपनी इस mail ID से बाहर आ जाएंगे, right? I haven't signed out because I want to use this mail ID.